On to an update we're tracking very closely from J&K. Three men, remember, in Kashmir, a chemist, street food vendor and a cab driver were gunned down by terrorists in separate incidents, all within a span of an hour on Tuesday night, sending major shockwaves across the country. Meanwhile, terror groups have now come forward, claiming the killing of the three civilians.
Terrorists shot dead three civilians within 2 hours in three separate incidents in Srinagar and Bandipora on Tuesday evening, which sent shockwaves across the nation. The three victims have been identified as Makhan Lal Bindru, Virendra Paswan and Mohammad Shafi Lone. Bindru was a prominent Kashmiri Pandit businessman in Srinagar. Paswan was a street hawker, while Lone was a resident of Bandipora. Terrorists fired at Makhan Lal Bindru at his pharmacy in the region's main city of Srinagar late on Tuesday.
See, I'll tell you, I know it's very difficult to express, but I don't have a single tear in my eyes because I know my father was a king. He taught me the spirit of fighting. He taught me this. I was the only Hindu girl in my convent school. I was the only Hindu girl in Mallinson school, but I was never discriminated. I'll really tell you, I appreciate everyone. They were so nice to me. But only a few population of people who throw stones and only a few population of people who use guns, because of them the whole Kashmiriyat uska naam kharab ho raha hai. And that is very bad. So the only message which I want to give to all the Kashmiris is, give education to your children. Give that spirit to your children. You can kill one Makhan Lal Bindru. What will happen with that? Makhan Lal Bindru जैसे एक यहाँ बैठी है, एक उनका बेटा अंदर बैठा और बहुत सारे ऐसे बैठे हुए हैं.
Within an hour, a street food vendor identified as Virendra Paswan from Bhagalpur district of Bihar was shot in point-blank range in another neighborhood in Srinagar, killing him on the spot. Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar condemned the targeted killing in Kashmir.
इससे न सरकार डरेगी न भारत की जनता डरेगी. इस तरह के दहशतगर्दी का माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में किस प्रकार से करारा जवाब दिया गया है, ये पूरा वैश्विक फलक पर ये सारी चीज़ें हैं और हम इसकी निंदा करते हैं. इस तरह की हत्याओं की, ये हत्या का दौर बंद होना चाहिए और इस तरह की जो हरकतें हैं उसे कभी भारत पर देश बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा, देश के लोग बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे और सरकार की ओर से हर आवश्यक कदम उठाए जाएंगे.
In the third incident on Tuesday night, terrorists fatally shot at a taxi driver Mohammad Shafi in the northern Hajin area in Bandipora district.
Right now I am reporting from the terror spot where Mohammad Shafi Lone was killed by LET supported OGWs here in Hajin, Bandipora. In fact, my VJ Mubashir will show you the spot where he was, where the terrorists targeted him. In fact, this is the very spot where he was fired upon, and as per the family sources, they received a call from Mohammad Shafi that he has been hit by 2 bullets. His brother and father confirmed to us that after getting a call from him, they rushed to this very spot and picked him from here, the injured body, and they shifted him to the hospital which is nearby, the Sumbal PHC. But meanwhile, while reaching the Sumbal, he was not able to talk. But before that, he did convey to his father about the entire thing, what actually happened when he was called by few of his colleagues that he had to come to this spot because they want to have some kind of conversation. But when he reached here on motorbike. But when he reached here, he was fired upon from a very close range. He succumbed on way, and also doctors declared him broad dead. What we are picking from the official sources from the Jammu Kashmir Police, that so far JKP has arrested 6 OGWs in this case, and the one who fired upon Mohammad Shafi Lone from a close range is still on run, and multiple teams have been constituted by Jammu Kashmir Police to nab him as well. Baba, kya dalil gayi raat?
Bumme par sham trerekas per firam salam me kur phone bachan me tulmas man sa gobra kya dalil dopun me sa kerik fire zo me kat chuk dopun busus bon nishan yus vijpur vastaran zakhmi तुलान सन बह यह बच तो बे ब्या लुकुर बच यह गाड़ी चलावान तुलान गसान वातान अपर कन वत विजपोर कुन अमिस पे लाइट हज नजर गाड़ी आई अम कोर वापस फोन दोपन तुम फिरो वापस तुम गो ब्रोट तुम फिरो वापस फिर वापस पे ये मे अंदाज वोन तक वोन अमिस वो लकुट हूँ बोय राशिद दोपन सोनम बोया अमिस सोना वन नाव मोहम्मद शफी सोनम बोया त्रा तो मोबाइल लाइट वो कत अम त्रा मोबाइल लाइट गई तुल सुमल दबसी सत वोन मे अमिस वन सा कम अनक योर दोपनस मे कोर शागुन यारन फोन बस वनस तमी मे वन सा पत क्या पत वोन तम फायर कम कर तो सत कम सलिस ओतर पे न्याय 10-15 दो पे प्रेसिडेंट ये बनियामुत न्याय तथ पे जागान अमिस मारनस मोर तथ पे
बाबा तुम वो अम कम नफर तुह नाव या कम तम
बोल तो नाद फोन अमिस कोर्मुत यह शाहगुंडुक तारिक अहमद खोचू उसका दोस्त है अमिस फोन कोर्मुत न्यून पानस सत नफर ये नफर तम तथी गन ये प्रारान बल्कि 6 नफर तवेरस मज सफेद तवेरस मज क्या नंबर तथ 6109 तथ मदन तथ तुल नफर यह तथ गवर्नमेंट गन
Lashkar Front have claimed responsibility for the killing. And all the 3 murders indicate that Pakistan-based terrorists are desperate to keep Kashmir burning by targeting hard-working nationalists in Kashmir. Bureau Report, Republic TV.